Right here I have the G2 coffee grinder from Tuni, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and we're gonna do a demo, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the amazing features about this grinder. The user manual is gonna be something you're gonna wanna hang on. It's gonna show you everything you need to know about your grinder. Best way to unbox this, turn it upside down, be really careful. Then I just like to set it down. We're gonna have a bunch of tools to clean this out really nice. One feature I really love that they added to this is gonna be this bellow hopper. And as you press this down, the air is coming out the bottom, so you can clean it out a lot easier without taking it apart all the time using a brush. You can actually just pump out all of the old grinds that may be stale from the previous time. Magnetic container to grind all of your coffee grinds. And taking a first look at this G2, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and it has the ivory color on here as well, so it's going to match my espresso machine and all of my other tools like my portafilter that I have. Huge touchscreen display, and everything is packaged very nicely. So it looks like the internals are going to be pretty similar with the way that you take this apart to clean it, so I do like that. And we are going to have a bunch of grip on the bottom, so whenever you're placing this on the counter, you can see I'm moving it. It's not going to budge at all. So when it's grinding, it's not going to be shaking around. This thing is amazing. Let's go ahead and set this up. All right, guys, so I have this all set up, and as you can see, I'm a huge fan of Tuni's products. I actually have their scale, I have the G1, and I also have the espresso machine, and this is gonna be the G2. So let's first take a quick look at the differences between the G1 and the G2 from what we can see. Now, between the G1, I can see that as we turn this on here, we're gonna have a bigger screen, and actually one of the first things that I noticed was the beeping is louder on the G1. So the beeping is actually a little bit softer on the G2, and you are gonna have 70 different grind options here. So this is gonna be absolutely perfect for dialing in the exact grind size that you need. So if you're making espresso, this is essential to get these grinds all the way perfect. Let's look at the grind sizes and actually compare them. So what I'm talking about here, we're gonna have 0 to 16 different grind adjustments for espresso. Now on the G2, we're gonna have 0 to 24 different grind sizes. That's gonna be 8 different grind settings. So if you're really trying to perfect your grind size for an espresso, this is definitely one that I'm already gonna recommend because it's gonna be able to give you the finest adjustments. Now you can see I have my portafilter down below, so that just sits on there, and it does come with a nice magnet as well that you can put on your portafilter. We also have a nice rubber attachment, so we can just click that up and we can remove that easily. So now let's take a look at these cups. So these are going to be perfect if you're going to be making a French press or a drip coffee. I specifically use my grinders for French press because I absolutely love it. So we're going to have a bigger size container here with the G2, hence it's going to be taller. So if they gave us a small one, probably would miss, go all over the place. So this is really nice, and we do get a magnet on the bottom, so it's really going to be nice and secure. I absolutely love the sleek design on this. Now, as you can see here, I do have the ivory espresso machine, and this ivory is going to match it absolutely perfect. So when you have that whole set, including the actual scale, it just looks absolutely amazing. I did change it up and get the black one for the G1, and I really do appreciate that, but I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more now because this has a ton of different settings for me to perfect that, and I really love that. Easy to take off and clean, and this hopper is going to be so nice because you can just pump it and get all the grinds out real quick and easy. Now let's look at this huge touchscreen display. So on here, you're going to have quick option. So if you want to do one quick espresso shot, all you have to do is click that button, and it's going to auto the grind to 12 seconds. And then if you want to do a double, it is going to take you to 16 seconds. After that, you can do half-second increments, and you can just click that all the way up. I'm going to see how far this goes. That goes up to 40.5. So actually, if we hold it, we can take it to wherever we want. And one thing that is new for the G2 is you can actually go backwards. So on the G1, you can actually go up, and that's it. And that was one thing I didn't like because you'd have to either start over or shut it off and go back because you cannot go back down. So that is a huge upgrade that I do love because sometimes I end up going a little bit too far, and then if I just want to go back, I can really easily. So what I'm going to do here is just turn this scale on, place this container on here, zero it out, and then I'm going to fill this up. Okay, I'm gonna go about 18. So I'm gonna be making a pour over coffee, and I have all this different increments. So I'm actually really excited to be able to fine tune this. I'm actually gonna try this right in the halfway point at 36. Dump that inside, place that right under there. And for me, let's see, probably just put it up and see what we can grind out. About 25 seconds, we'll try that. Press that again to shut it off. That sounds so smooth. And take a look around here, guys. There is no mess. This is going to be an anti-static. There is a ton of more new technology inside here that actually makes this even more anti-static. This is a conical burr, so it's going to use the gravity to pull down the beans. It's going to cause the taste of the beans to actually be a lot better and preserve the flavor way more. So I absolutely love the conical burr system. Let's look at that grind size. And man, oh man, does that look good. That is so nicely done, nice and even. This is going to be very easy to control and make a beautiful cup because everything just looks perfect. And as that was grinding out, actually it looked like it was coming out a lot more evenly than the G1. Now the G1 is still a great machine and I'm probably still going to end up using it time to time, but I can say based off of experience on a day-to-day basis and seeing this for the first time, that was so smooth and these grinds are looking very consistent. All right, as I'm heating up my water on the kettle behind, I'm going to dump in my grounds. And guys, I'm going to show you how to use this to actually empty out your grounds. So you want to just stick your container underneath and you want to just pump this. And as you can see, there's a little bit coming out and you can either just go faster, harder, and you can see right here, there's not a whole lot in there, but as you can see, there are some grounds right in there. So if that's going to sit there overnight, you know, you want to make sure that you get rid of this so you're not going to have any stale grounds or anything like that in your next cup, or you can actually just add this right to the cup that you're making right now. And that is actually what I'm going to do. And that right there looks pretty good. Now that tastes really smooth, and I guarantee you it's because of how consistent that coffee grinded. Now at the end of the day, the way that coffee shops make such a delicious cup is because they have very expensive equipment. Now with the G2 coffee grinder, you can actually bring that same coffee flavor to your house. I highly recommend this. Definitely a great tool, and especially if you're trying to perfect your espresso. Make sure you add it to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.